Okay, so right now we are going to look at how to make the student ID look more beautiful. Okay, good. Okay, so let me log into administrator dashboard. This training is a series. It's about how to create this school management system. You need this school management system to manage your school. Okay, if you don't want to lose any money, and you need this system. So let us continue. This is a series and this part 16. So make sure you look for part 1 so that you'll be able to follow along. Let's log into dashboard. Okay, so here let's go straight to, let me see, I think, okay, it's already 100. So we are going to look at how to manage the student ID. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the settings page. So I will reopen this in a new tab, and that is settings, and I will locate ID card settings. So I will come back here, and here I'm going to locate student ID. Okay, good. And so now we already have an idea what the ID card looks like. So here we are going to upload a logo, a brand, okay, in the watermark. So I will click here and locate a logo on my PC. So let me go to here and go to items, and I can see logo here. So I will select this as logo, and I have another one. You can see that this one, there is no nothing inside. So I'm going to use this as watermark. Good. And I'm going to change the colors, just primary color. Let me go with something like, I don't know if this color is okay, but I don't like this. But first, let me save this. Okay, so let me save this first. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the colors. Okay, so you get these colors based on the theme that you selected at SPADME area. Okay, so let me first look at the color that I want to use. So something like blue. So you have to adjust the colors based on your school colors. Yeah, let me put it in that way. I want the background color to be, okay, I don't know, the text color. Let me make it black, deep black. Yes. And let me first save this just to see how it looks like first. Okay, so in the background, let me select the same color for background. I don't know what I'm doing because these colors are okay. So let's see what we have here. So this is what I have right now. So I'm going to generate a card to see its structure first on the card. So first regenerate it. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to first update the students. Christopher, I'm going to upload an image. Yes, so let me go back to downloads. Let me use this picture. That is my picture. Okay, so I'm going to update it. Okay, good. Now I'm going to generate ID for Christopher and see. I wanted to add a picture so that we will have a clear, very nice view of the. So Christopher, I will regenerate the ID, then click print, and now this is what we have based on the colors and the configuration we just did. So you can see this, the color, and the image is here, my picture. Okay, and the color is too much, but at least you know how to move around. You see the watermark is inside, the logo is here. It's looking beautiful. Okay, just that the colors are not good, but see, at least you know how to control things. So you have to continue from here. You see, this one look better than the first one. Okay, so now you can continue with the ID how to set up the ID card. Okay, and this is beautiful. I wanted to do the what do you call it, that is the students reports settings, but I realized that I need results on the student report before I can do this the color adjustment, because I cannot generate sample one without a results, because we have not added any results. So we'll put that one aside for now. So far so good. That's how the ID card works. Okay, or how you can just, and not, I'm not done with that. So let's go down here. You see we have different classes. We have basic or JHS1. I'm using Ghana, that's junior high level as an example. We have JHS1, JHS2, and JHS3. Now JHS1 students have 3 years to complete school, JHS2 have 2 years to complete school, and JHS3 have only just 1 year to complete school. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Look at it, just look at the JHS1. Make sure you set the issue date and expiring date based on the date that they will complete school. Hope you understand that. Issue date and the date that they will complete, so that each class will have, the student will get a card, and the dates or the period expiring dates will be added on the card. Okay, as you can see, if I click this one right now, by default I think it has added something. Okay, yes, let's see. Okay, so the issue date and the expiring dates you can see here, but you need to adjust it, okay, first, because it will use the global one. We have a global one. Let's see, this is the global one, or the default one. Okay, and this is the class specific. Okay, so far so good. We will end here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.